National Weather Service in Reno has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lassen County in Northern California until 3:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 2:28 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a pyrocumulonimbus from the Loyalton wildfire is capable of producing a fire-induced tornado and outflow winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, was located south of Chilkoot and is nearly stationary. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar-indicated rotation. Impact, extreme fire behavior with strong outflow winds capable of downing trees and starting new fires. This is an extremely dangerous situation for firefighters. This tornadic pyrocumulonimbus will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Lassen County in the vicinity of the fire. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.